Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable end task function in Taskbar in Windows 11. If you want to turn it on, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and after that we need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to open system settings, and then we need to scroll down and open here for developers. These settings are intended for development use only, so I click on this one tab to open these settings. And here we can find end task function. It will enable end task in taskbar by right click. So for example, before I will turn on this function, I click right mouse button on icon with OBS, and here end task function is not visible. But if you will turn on this function here, and if end task will be enabled, you can see end task function when you clicking right mouse button on the software which you want to close. And how you see here, we can find end task function. So now you can use it from taskbar. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.